Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am doing the second piece to a commission. I did the first piece. I will link that video down in the description box. I did a commission for my friend Jim, which it's been months ago, and he's already got the piece and he loves it. And I had put that piece up and that video up, and I wasn't real sure that he would like it. So we talked about it and we did another one. Well, this is the second one that we did, and I will be painting this for you today, tonight, whenever you see it. So stay tuned till the end. Hi guys. We are doing another option for my friend Jim, which he loves the other one, but I want to see if we can maybe get him closer to the other option that he was looking at. And this other one involves tilting. Both of us wanted to kind of see what it looked like when we spun it, so we just kind of did that, which we both love it. So welcome back to my channel. We are going to just get this taped up right fast. This is a level 2 16 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas. Hope you guys are all well and enjoying your weekend. It is my weekend here in Tennessee, and love you guys. All right, okay. All right, so we have the same colors and as last time. I'm not gonna call the colors out. I'm gonna make this kind of short. I will list them in the description box. Okay, use that. So let's just go ahead and make our 2 cups. I have 2 9-ounce bottles, should be enough. I didn't add any water to these at all. Kind of want to see how the thicker paint will work. Last time I added a little bit of water. This time I don't want to, just to see. It's kind of experimenting here. And with this technique, it's so fun to just kind of play around with the different consistencies that you can use and try. So with the other colors, I'm basically going to just go down the side because I don't want the paint colors to mix. You want to kind of get it even as much as possible. I love these colors. They're so pretty. Pretty excited about this thicker. I don't think I've ever done it this thick, so it'll be exciting to watch. Oh, I love Azo Orange. It's such a pretty color. I really am loving how this paint is going in these cups. I hope you guys can see this. I gotta get more yellow. I love this yellow. I really love these colors. Okay, just gonna move this out of the way. All right. So I'm using the old bottom, and let's see, middle, here's fine. I'm gonna use as much this time. I used pretty much last time. Okay, I'm gonna pour this on this side. It's gonna go pretty thick. Now with it being so thick, the lines are kind of small. That blue to come out. There it is. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to take this side and I'm going to turn this way. Do the same thing on this side. Now when it's thicker, it doesn't wrap around the cup as fast. I'm finding. I'm trying to pour it faster so that maybe it'll kind of try to get around there to kind of create the same effect that I want. That blue came out really faster. Definitely got more yellow over here than over here, but we did get the rainbow effect going here. It's just really odd. I don't know why that happened. They should have both looked the same. I don't know. Anyway, quite all right. Pull that out. The white is down in there. I think I have enough white. Let's go ahead and empty these cups. Stir this a little more. Hopefully it'll look okay. I love the way this mixed. It's really pretty. I love this side completely. Okay. Beautiful colors, beautiful colors. Maybe because I didn't put enough yellow in there. Okay. Let's pull that white out. I'm going to do a loop-de-loop in the middle. There. Probably another loop-de-loop right there. And the rest of them are just going to be lines. I like this one better. I love that little bit of green right there. Because it doesn't have a whole lot of the white in it. And I think that's why I like it. The other one just took over with the white. Maybe we'll... another loop-de-loop here. Like that. Love that. Right there. Yeah. Let's kind of break it up a little bit. Love that. Okay. Let's kind of see what I was trying to do there. Just kind of wanted it a little different. Okay. Now we're going to add the flow extender, because you add the flow extender around it so that you do not lose your composition. We'll be able to move this around without losing what we have here. We can just kind of shift it back and forth. It'll stretch, but it won't roll over on itself. Oh, this is gonna be pretty. I'm just going to get this to the edge, and then we're gonna start tilting it. And while we're doing this, guys, I just want to thank you guys that always show up for my videos. I appreciate it. I also want to thank my new subscribers. I appreciate you. We also have a new Monday live meeting that we are doing. It's a lot of fun. We meet Monday nights live on my channel at usually at 6, sometimes at 6:30, but it's a lot of fun. So if you want to come hang out, it's a lot of fun. Me and my husband, he's a hoot, and he mans the chat box for me while I paint, and we talk and giggle and have fun. It's a lot of fun. So if you're interested, come check it out. I usually put a post up on my community wall, so come hang out with us. You are all welcome. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Get these bubbles out. Okay. I think I'm gonna put this back in the bucket just because I don't want this paint everywhere. Hang on just a second. All right. Yeah, it's just big enough in here, so it'll catch it anyway. All right, let's do this thing. So I like to move it pretty slow to kind of keep my composition. And this is really cool. Move it up and over. Wow, it's pretty intense. That's pretty cool. Not exactly what I had intended. It kind of, I think I kind of used too much paint, and plus the paint was thicker. But like I said, I was experimenting. He loved the other painting, but we wanted to kind of just experiment with some thicker paints, as me and him talked about. So this is pretty amazing. I love the colors. I can't wait to see these colors when they dry. So super stoked about that. Okay, I'm going to turn you guys off and get this transferred onto the table, and I will be right back. Okay, it looks like somehow my video overhead went off. I'm sorry, guys. Hopefully I had video of the other part of it, but this is pretty cool. Looks like an explosion. Yeah. Wow. So here's the wet result. Holy cow. This is tilted. Can't wait to see this dry. Look at that. It's like where I rigged that white part, it just freaking is insane. Okay, we will see this dry. Pretty sure it's gonna be amazing. I love it already. Yeah, pretty cool. Hi everyone, welcome back. I am showing you the dried result of this beautiful painting. If I can, here we go. It's so pretty. I just absolutely love the middle. But Jim chose the other one. I'm going to link that video up in either the top of the screen here or in the description box. If you haven't saw that one, please go check it out. It was a lot of fun to create. This one is going to get scanned and I will have prints available. So please reach out if you're interested in that. And I will also have the original available. Yeah. Okay. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.